In this video, I will guide you how you can add a custom font into your Shopify store. So first of all, what you need to do is to simply click on the content and click on the files button. Now this is where you need to upload your particular fonts. So make sure that you have installed it already in the OTF or TF format. Once you have done this, click on the open button, and after uploading your font, next step is you just need to click on the online store and click on the themes. Now once you are in the themes, make sure to click on the three dots and click on duplicate in case something go wrong. So you need to make sure to always have a backup before editing your code. Now you need to simply click on the three dots and click on the edit code, and then you just need to go for this section and click on add a new section. Now you need to simply type custom font or any other name that you like, and then click on the done button. Now after adding a new section, what you need to do is to simply open up the link in the description of Google Docs, and then you just need to copy the custom font code. Make sure to copy all of this font code, and then you just need to simply go back and remove this and paste your new code. Then click on the save on the top right corner, and after adding your custom font, you now need to simply search for theme.liquid. Now once you search for this, you just need to press Ctrl F button after clicking on your code, and press Ctrl F. Now you need to simply search for the body just like so, and then click on the next button. Now you need to paste another code below this code. So let me just do it really quickly. Now you can go back into your Google Docs and simply copy this particular code. After copying, simply paste it under the body code, and then click on the save on the top right corner. Now once you are done, you can now click on the three dots and click on the customize theme. So if this is showing you this error, so I have added another S in the spelling, so let me just make its correction just like this and click on the save button. Now after that, again go to your three dots on the top left and click on the customize theme. Now this will gonna show you custom font on the top left corner of your screen, which you just need to click on the add font and click on it. Now you can name it whatever you want to go with. I recommend you to name it according to the font name. Now in the custom URL, you need to simply go back to your Shopify store and then click on the content button. Click on the files, and so right now I don't have a paid plan, so that's why I cannot upload any font, but you just need to paste the link, and as you can see, my store font has changed successfully. So that's a way of how you can change font on your Shopify store.